Here's a little tip for you. These are actually 223 cases, maybe 308 or something like that. Might work better, but whatever you have. You take them in a vise and just clamp them down the vise. These are cases that had a split in them or something wrong with them. And you can use these to put into a vise when you clamp on something, and use them to keep it from marring. And the good thing about these is that since they've got the upper edge that is the rim of your case, you can set them in there like that, and they will stay because they're taller. They basically make a wedge up there. I need to angle this a little, so I will. And there we go. So, if you guys need to have some type of soft jaws for your vise and you don't have anything, you got some old cases laying around that are unprimed or the primer's spent, not good rounds, disclaimer there. There you go.